Hello friends, this is Yusuf Alari over here. Welcome to my channel Trading Wealth by Anur. This is a video about business cycle. This is a part 4 of series of video of educational videos for the beginner as well as professional traders. Video will be beneficial to bond, currency, commodity and stock traders. In economics, this will come under microeconomics, the concept of business cycles. Now I have divided business cycle into two types. Now here you see on the screen is the first type of a business cycle. A sideways channel can be seen. Now what is business cycle? Business cycle is nothing but a mood of a particular country, people, economy. Okay, so here you see this is called greed, the peak, and this is the fear which is called recession. Business cycle is a very powerful tool when you are trading. When you are trading, you should know what kind of business cycle your country is or what kind of business cycle a particular sector is in which script you are trading. Business cycles are nothing but recovery, expansion, boom versus contraction, recession and depression. I have divided this thing into 6 parts. Okay, there are so many videos explaining this concept in a different form. What I am trying to do is I am trying to explain this with a stock market viewpoint. Okay, so what happens over here? Here you see this is called recession, the fear, the bottoming out of a market. Here you will have maximum job losses. There will be no business. You will see shop for sale boards all around, discounts all around, 50% discount, 1 per 1 free. There is no job creation, there is no loan recovery, there is no loan takers, the growth of loan is not there. The banking sector will have too many defaults, low interest rates, low inflation, all you will see over here. Then there is a part 1 which is called recovery. What is recovery? Then the small green shoot you see where people are trying to come out of the depressed mood, small buying, a small improvement in sales figure can be seen over here. Now if momentum take place, it will lead to expansion. This is a zero line, okay, this is a zero line, and from recovery we will go into expansion. When we go into expansion, I will be doing a video on supply and demand. Okay, you have to see that video. It is a very helpful for each and everyone who is into trading, whether you are doing currency trading, whether you are doing bond trading. Supply and the demand is the king and master of every theory. Okay, in economics, in stock market trading or economics, currency trading, if you don't know the concept of supply and demand, it will be difficult to create wealth. So here we are into expansion. Here it is a boom, the topping out of market. Everybody is doing a big talk. There are a lot of mergers. The inflation is high. Everybody is optimist, and here comes the profit booking. Okay, here the market begins to slide. Now if there is no recovery at this point, it will lead to recession. This is recession, cutting of labors, cutting of job, inflation is falling, then it will lead to recession. So basically you have 6 phases: recovery, expansion, boom, profit booking, recession, again depression. This is a sideways channel. Okay, now we come to the another part topic. This is over here. This is trading channel, and here the economy is on one side. It is taking a support on the zero line and going upward again. This happens generally in emerging market. Demand is more than the supply. We will be doing this video on some another time. Okay, business cycle definition. Business cycle is a fluctuation in economic activity that an economy experience over a period of time. Now, how to judge what kind of business cycle your country is? You will have to see the economical data released for regarding employment, job data, GDP, industrial production, sales, personal income, personal expenditure. These are the data which will give you an hint what kind of GDP you are going to have, what kind of business cycle your country is. Now in economics there are business cycle and every sector may be having a different type of sector. For example, crude may be having a downtrend, crude prices may be going down, there will be lot of job cuts in crude sector, okay, rig counts will go down, gasoline prices will go down. Now if the gasoline prices are at rock bottom, what will happen? People will buy new cars. Okay, so auto sector may be having a uptrend. So there are cycles within the cycle, there are relationship between one cycle and the another cycle. Now we come to the point, why do we have cycles and what cause them? Now this is a very deep topic, but in general, war, natural calamities, unreasonable rates, high PE, market becomes very expensive, rates are very high, inflations are very high, interest rate very high, political instability or stability, government policy are the to name a few. These are some of major things which may make a turn that disturb the equilibrium, which may trigger a series of action which will lead to turn in economics. Economical cycles take long time to turn. Cycles are nothing but mood swing which will be covering some advanced level. The psychological part, why a certain economy goes into depression or it is going through peak. Now another concept which you have to understand is GDP base. I will show you. Now this is a site which is called Trading Economics. Here you see and here you see Bangladesh is growing about 7% every year. But what is happening? What is United States GDP? 18569. Now where do you see Bangladesh? I can't see Bangladesh over here. Where is Bangladesh? Bangladesh is somewhere over here. The base is too small. So if a country is growing by 2% and is having a base of 1000, the adding point will be only 20. Okay, but a country is having a base point of 10,000, it will be adding 200 points. More jobs, the higher the point, higher the job, higher the demand, higher the inflation, and vice versa. Okay, so in my next video, which will be part 5, I will be doing something on inflation cycles and effects on stock market. Now please do not forget to like, share, and please do subscribe. Okay, now this will be my 6th video on supply and demand. Okay, so if you are into stock market and if you feel that you want to make some money, first thing you have to understand is what kind of business cycle your country is in. For example, over here, if you see, the GDP is sideways mode. The growth in percentage term is sideways. But if you see the chart of GDP by value, in 1991 it was around 5,000. Okay, now today it is 18,500. That is why the S&P is making top. GDP is in general a sale of a particular country, how much product people are buying. It is shows the buying capacity, the demand in that particular country. Okay, so GDP business cycles are nothing but what kind of supply and demand is there and what are the reasons and what are the cause. Generally, I will repeat it again. The business cycle are divided into 6 parts. Here you will have a high inflation, high demand, low inflation, low demand. This is starting of recovery, expansion, boom, profit booking, recession, depression. This keeps on going on here. If you see over here in this chart, you can see it. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe and keep watching my next videos. Thank you very much. Yeah!